Welcome back to Markets at Noon, and let's talk about the sugar companies then on the show, because they are indeed having sweet gains in the trade today. Look at the move in Balarampur Chini, Sugar. All these are buzzing in trade, but specifically we are tracking the move on Balarampur Chini because there's a brokerage note coming in on this one. And if you look at IndusInd Bank from the financial space, that too is having a good day today. But what are the brokerages saying in both of these names? Let's go across to Ashesha to find out more. Ashesha?
Well, yes, first up, let's talk about Balarampur Chini, where JM Financials has come out with a report. They are maintaining their buy stance. 640 is the target price, implying nearly 15% upside from the current market price. They believe that the recent investment of 2,000 crores that the company has done in PLA or polylactic acid will create significant value for the company going forward. They also say that polylactic acid's physical properties with respect to pricing, manufacturing processes, biodegradability and the fact that it is sustainable is what makes them bullish on this counter, and they believe that this product will indeed be a game changer for the company going forward. They also say that improvement in EBIT mix from its non-sugar business will also be a positive, and this will make the company a structural play. So on the back of this report that has come in, this stock is in focus. Apart from this, let's also talk about IndusInd Bank, and that is because Nomura, it has maintained its buy stance with a target price of 1580. Remember, yesterday Reserve Bank of India gave its approval to IndusInd Bank's subsidiary for setting up asset management company business. And now they say it can generate significant revenue as the manufacturer of mutual funds. They also say that this will be the first instance of Reserve Bank of India allowing an existing bank to conduct this kind of business. So on the back of this report, IndusInd Bank and Balarampur Chini are in focus today.
Well, lots of other stocks that are in focus, and we have Gaurav joining us to give us all those stocks and news which are in trade, which are in focus in trade today.
Well, yes. First, let's talk about Alcargo Logistics, because this company has come up with good set of numbers in terms of the monthly volumes. So when we talk about monthly volumes for Alcargo International Supply Chain, the LCL volumes has increased almost by 6% on a month-on-month basis. And company has also said that they have seen a volume increase from all major regions like USA, Latin America and Europe. And on the back of this, we saw the stock is also up almost by 9%. Next, let's talk about Nucleus Software Export, because this company is going to hold its meeting on 22nd August to consider buyback for shares, and that is why this stock is in focus. Next, let's talk about Mahindra & Mahindra, because we have seen Citi actually cutting the target price to 3,180 rupees versus what it was at 3,340 rupees. What they believe is that FY24 was a year of SUV, but we may see some moderation in FY25, and on back of this, they have now cut the volume estimates for SUVs almost by 5 to 9%, and that is why this new target price has arrived, which is lower than the previous one. Next, let's talk about Zomato, because 19.2 crore shares, which is actually equivalent to around 2% of the equity, changed hand in bulk of the deals today, and Fit Singapore has actually sold almost by 18.5 crore shares in this bulk deal at a discount of almost 2% to a current market price. And lastly, let's also talk about Sequent Scientific, because this company has hit its 52 weeks high level, and the reason being that the company has now received WHO pre-qualification approval for one of its API products, and that is why let's watch out for this counter as well.
All right, Gaurav, thank you so much for highlighting all the buzzers in trade right now. But with this,
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.